Welcome to iGEMBA, the ultimate application designed to revolutionize your shop floor stand-ups and gemba walks, powered by ITHENA. iGEMBA enables users to embrace the power of digital transformation, leaving behind the cumbersome and paper-based processes of traditional gemba walks. With iGEMBA, we offer enhanced flexibility, intuitive functionality, and seamless integration for efficient maintenance and visualization of your KPIs. Let's take a deep dive into the features. With iGEMBA, your role matters. As soon as you log in, you are presented with persona-centric dashboards tailored to your specific responsibilities. iGEMBA enables users to provide multiple input controls directly into the application. Alternatively, you can connect data directly from the tags of your machines. Managing tasks for your team has never been easier. iGEMBA provides an out-of-the-box Kanban board. Creating or assigning tasks related to specific KPIs is hassle-free. With a few clicks, you can create tasks by selecting the KPI and prioritize them based on their urgency. With a simple drag-and-drop interface, you can track progress of the task effortlessly. iGEMBA is designed with users in mind. This persona-centric application provides customizable dashboards and KPIs. Clicking the Create KPI button, you can easily create KPIs. Select the appropriate category. Provide a name. Choose the organization unit, and customize the input fields to match your requirements. You can assign a derived value to the KPIs using iGEMBA's Formula Builder. Click on the input field, assign the aggregation function, and build your formula. Furthermore, you can easily configure the limits with appropriate thresholds for your KPI. You can also color-code the values to be displayed in the dashboard. iGEMBA also allows you to dive into historic information that was once hard to reach. Let us take an example. Under the inventory shortage KPI, we investigate the consistent set of red highlighted values. To do so, let's explore the data by clicking on the Analytics button. This enables us to view last 4 months of data. We can easily adjust the month to visualize data up to 12 months. We can see the incredibly high inventory shortage, which occurred in January 2023. Let us look into this further by clicking on the Drill Down button. Now we have better visualization for daily inventory for that month. Clicking on 17th January with highest records, we can further view the trend for that day. With a simple click, we can find out the reason code and drill down our focus. Thanks to the analytics feature's power, we can view the reason code with maximum occurrences. Now, let us establish a corrective action plan to rectify the inventory shortage. We can directly create tasks by assigning the root cause and prioritizing corrective action. Imagine the value iGEMBA can bring to your organization with these advanced features and capabilities. Embrace the power of digital transformation. Utilize iGEMBA to achieve a comprehensive closed-loop manufacturing process. Scan the QR code to visit our website or contact us to learn more about iGEMBA and revolutionize your manufacturing operations. Thank you, and looking forward to partnering with you.